Introduction. Markets operate through the collective actions of various participants. Understanding who drives the market and how liquidity and volatility function is essential for every trader. In this section, we'll explore key market players and the factors influencing market behavior. 2. Who drives the market? The market is influenced by different participants, each with unique roles and motivations. Retail traders, individual traders like you and me, trading smaller volumes, motivated by personal goals such as profit, savings, or financial independence. Their trades can contribute to short-term price fluctuations but generally have less impact on market trends. Institutional investors, large entities such as hedge funds, mutual funds, and pension funds, trade in massive volumes which can significantly impact market prices, often use advanced tools, algorithms, and research to guide their decisions. Market makers, financial institutions, or brokers that provide liquidity by quoting both buy and sell prices. They ensure smooth market operations by filling gaps between buyers and sellers. Without market makers, trading would be slower and less efficient. Each of these players contributes to the dynamics of the market, creating opportunities and risks for traders. 3. Understanding liquidity. Liquidity refers to how easily an asset can be bought or sold without causing significant price changes. High liquidity means tight spreads, the difference between buy and sell prices, faster execution of trades, lower costs for traders. Examples: high liquidity, major currency pairs in Forex or large-cap stocks like Apple or Tesla. Low liquidity, small-cap stocks or niche cryptocurrencies where fewer buyers and sellers are present. Traders should always consider liquidity before entering or exiting a trade to avoid unexpected price movements. 4. Understanding volatility. Volatility measures the degree of price fluctuation over a specific period. It can be both an opportunity and a risk for traders. Key points: high volatility, more significant price swings offering potential for higher profits but also greater risk. Examples: cryptocurrencies, penny stocks, or stocks after major news announcements. Low volatility, stable price movements, ideal for risk-averse traders. Examples: large-cap stocks or government bonds. Traders can use tools like the VIX index, also known as the volatility index, to measure market sentiment and adjust their strategies accordingly. 5. Conclusion. Market dynamics are shaped by the interaction of retail traders, institutions, and market makers. Liquidity ensures smooth operations, while volatility creates opportunities for profit. By understanding these elements, traders can make informed decisions and better navigate the complexities of financial markets.